Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blaji. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe it and press the bell icon for more videos. Anyways, you must have noticed that this weather icon has been appearing for some days on Windows 10, or at least it's appearing on my screen for some days now. And I will tell you how you can remove it. So just right click on it and go for news and interests, and here is the button. Just click turn off and here you go, it is gone. So it's very simple. Anyways, make sure to like this video for more such videos. Goodbye.